which is a quick demo of like a ideal IPL ideal application. So I'll give the brief introduction about what this application will does. So before that, right, the Clipchamp application is done through Cursor tool. So it's completely using prompt engineering. So we have done a very minor changes in the code to get the complete build, but 99% of the code has done by Cursor tool, which we recently got the licensing from the Newmark. So we tried last weekend, the Saturday and Sunday. So the context behind this developing this tool is right. So since last 3 years, so we are following IPL. So IPL is Indian Premier League, which is a like a cricket tournament in India. So most of the fans are there for IPL. So we are following the same thing in Ideal. So we have a team, Ideal team following a development team, and the QA team is following the IPL process. So here the thing is right, we are open the poll in the morning before 8 a.m. So the team members who registered for this IPL game is a fun game. They have to predict which team is going to win for that day. Okay, so based upon that, we are like consolidating the result by end of the day, and by end of this season. So this season has a maximum of 70 to 80 matches will happen in the IPL for every year. So by end of this season, so we will declare the winner from our team. So the winner will get some prize money as well. So this process is happening since last 3 days, and we are enjoying this thing, a fun activity in the ideal process since last 3 years. This year we already done. So you can able you're seeing the my screen, right? This screen is this 2025 IPL schedule and statistics and all. So this is all, everything is done through manually, but this year we got a idea. Me and Samba has worked in the last weekend around like a 27th of 26th and 27th of July, 2 days. So we came to know that why don't we automate this process using the cursor tool. So using our technology, the latest technology of React.js and C Sharp and some database. Okay, so you can see a colorful picture of the Excel. So you can see the rows. First header row is the match, day match, and the venue, and the team name RCB, RR, Mumbai Indians, LSC. And you can see the player names also who has participated for this IPL. Okay, so take an example of first row, like suppose which is happened in 22nd March, Saturday, 7:30 p.m. The home ground is KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders, RCB is opposite team. So you can see from row I to row U, the players are from Raj, Samba, Sridhar. So those are participated in this game. So Raj is predicted for KKR, and Samba predicted for KKR, and Narasimha is predicted for RCB. But final winner is RCB. So RCB, if we see RCB is a winner for the day, and the points are allocated based upon the winner's team. So Narasimha, Nageshwar, Uday, Manoj, and Bala got the points. So here's points as we have internal calculation. I don't want to discuss this logic behind it. Like we have a calculation of how these points are distributed across the team. So the winners get some points. Okay, so this process follows across the 74 matches, 74 to 77 matches for all the IPL seasons. And every day, Samba used to open a poll in the morning, and like a team is predicting the winning team. So at the end of the day, we are getting the points. If we see the statistics, like how the win predictions, like winning and losing, we see Raj has a 41 winning prediction out of 71 matches, and Samba has a 37 winning predictions out of 34 is a losing predictions. So if we see there, like Manoj has a 45 losses and winning predictions is 26. And the points distributions also you can see in the black and blue color. This one, the one total 1794.83. So based upon the statistics, everything is auto calculated in the Excel sheet itself. Okay, so this is like a extra stretch activity for the Samba, which is giving the more effort for doing this one every day. Now today, like this year, we got an idea. Why don't we make this as a automated this process? So automated in the sense we came to know different ideas, like how can we do this with our existing Angular, React, and anything. So instead of putting the more coding effort, why don't we do it in the very minimal way? So that's what, like, recently we got a Cursor license. So Cursor has a very good feature of using our requirements and proper prompt engineering. It develops the code. So based upon the tagline, so somebody has consolidated a list of requirements, how he's doing for consolidating the entire process, and he developed an application. So within a day, like in Saturday, he has drafted the entire prompt and everything. And Saturday evening, we started giving the prompts and generating the portal. So you can open the output of this one. Yeah, this is the cursor tool. This is the cursor tool. Uh, you can open the output. Yes, is it running? Okay. You can run it. Yes. Yeah, pause this. Yeah, stop recording. Run ചെയ്യല്ലേ the last weekend and the 26th of July. So we have automated this process using the cursor tool, uh, like using React.js and the C# port. So backend is a SQL Server. So it's a kind of a fun activity built among the team, and who will predict the more wins and who will the more losses kind of thing. So you can see the login page and like a number of users who registered for this portal. And this is the dashboard of IPL. We can make it as a IPL and IDL. So mostly we are only the IDL team is participated in this in this fun activity. Maybe going forward, if everybody likes it, in the next year we can try to accommodate the more people to participate this fun activity across our IT teams. And you can see the I'll walk through the this dashboard, and you can see the left hand side we have a overview of this one, and match management, team management, user management, and whole management. I'll come to each section, so and very brief overview of it. Right now, the login is like administrator login with some several and at the same time we have a user login also. So they have some extra privileges is there for the admin user. So you can see total number of users are 13, and active polls is a 3, and total matches are 70, which is completed already. Okay, so here from this screen, you can create a new match and you can manage the polls, and you can do add and delete the existing users, and new users can add it. And this entire page is given, including the color coding, graphics, icons, and everything is given by a cursor tool only. So we have not done a single change in the icons and fonts, anything. And if you go to the match management, so match management in the sense just give me a second, so it loads that match management screen. Yeah, it's loading. So this is a match management, how many matches are done. So complete schedule, like the status of the match, where exactly it is, the venue of this happened, the predictions, 13 predictions are done. So everything is given in the match or in the screen. And you can say total predictions 923. So we have a 74 matches into 13 users are participated, like 74 into 13. So 3-4 matches are got cancelled due to rain. So that's why we have not got exact. It should be 963 or 962, but we got the 923. So we validated this count also. It's exactly matching. So if you go to the team management, and so if you have create a match, suppose uh, consider the next year 2026, if IPL generally starts in the mid of March. So there you can select the match title and the hometown and away team and venue, all the details, and we can just schedule the match, create the match. Okay, so then the players, like the teammates, select the predictions, which team is going to win that match. So this is the creation of the match, which generally we are doing it right now in a manual process. Okay, so yeah, go to the team management. So these are the team management. Users additions and user deletions can happen here. Sorry, this is the team management for any new like IPL team is adding here. So those details we can see it. So one more thing, like all these IPL schedules and everything. So we are not preparing any schedule or any teams, anything. Everything is we are downloading from the IPL Google portal only. From the Google IPL portal only, we are downloading the schedule and the matches, times, venues, and everything. So we have not done any manual stuff from our side. Yeah. So yeah. and you can able to do all these team. If you want to give some funny names or some team color codings, logos, and you can able to change it from here. Yeah, so these are all given by cursor to readers. And if you want to create your own team, say, just like we have a Dream 11. Dream 11, generally we are choosing the players from the different teams. So similarly, that's feature also this cursor tool has given it automatically. We have not given any instruction for creating the separate team creation. It is already given by default of uh, predictions user. So now going to the uh, user management. So here user management, any new user want to participate it into the prediction game. So we can add and manage the user details here. Okay, user or admin. So this is the general screen which we are can take care of it is. Okay, and in the below you can see the list of users who participated in the 2025 IPL prediction game. Okay, it's a nice decent details, and if the guy is not don't want to participate into the next 2026, you can simply deactivate that user, then he moved away from that prediction game. This is a pool management. This is the most important part of this prediction game. So generally, as I told you, right, who people who participated in the predictions. So those details we are capturing here. Earlier we are capturing through manual process, which we showed into the Excel sheet. That now we can happen it automatically whenever the user create a poll. User create a poll. That poll will be recorded here and it store it into our local databases in a centralized database. And from there, so far we are storing it in the local database. Once we have to spend like one another weekend to make it as a centralized application to store it in some common database storage server. Then we will open a link to everybody to test it on their own. Yeah. So this is the like overall idea about IPL deal. So this is like almost a no-code solution which we developed in using the cursor tool. We really impressed with the way cursor has developed this tool with almost 99.99 no code from our side. So mostly customers, we fixed very minute bugs during the build process. So rest of the things it is done automatically. So yeah, so if you have any issues or any concerns or if any suggestions, so we are open to your suggestions. Yeah, thank you. Yes. Stop recording. ఇది నాకు వచ్చేస్తుంది.